Now for today's class, I'll be showing a step-by-step best way you can access Grok for free, okay? Now, we all know the advantage of Grok. Should I tell you? Okay, now one major advantage of Grok is that nothing like watermark on their video, and their color grading used to be very nice. Like, it's not for you to go and color grade it again because they will give you accurate color grading, okay? And whenever you prompt your script very well, they will give you accurate results. Like their video used to be real, and they always maintain everything in the background. Like, there's a lot of it to tell you about Grok, okay? Now, but without not wasting your time, I want you to take your minute of your time to watch this video, because this is exactly what you'll be learning for today's class.
Man, this view is incredible. It really is. To good times. To good times. Do you know one thing I don't understand about poor people? What is that?
They always say money doesn't bring happiness. Meanwhile, everyone is working day and night to make money.
But before we start, always know that this channel is always here to tutor you on everything you need to know about AI, okay? We bring the free tools you can use to animate your video, and also how you can use your AI. So if this is your first time coming across my page, I'm still your best coach, Very with Ebube. So guys, without not wasting your time, let's dive in. So I believe that we all know how to get our scripts done, okay, and also our images. If you don't know how to do that, it's under my channel. Just go there and go and watch it. I have dropped a word tutorial on how to get both your scripts and your images, okay? Now for today's class, head over to any of your browsing app of your choice, okay? You can set to go with your Firefox, but I will advise you should go with Chrome. You get why? Go with Chrome, okay, if you have one in your phone. Now when you come to your Chrome, go to your search bar, okay? Now kindly go ahead to type this AI, which you are seeing on the screen. Now when you type, you go ahead to send it. When you send it, this is what you will see, okay? Do you see this AI? This is their logo. Make sure you see something like this, pink. Do you see it, pink and white? This is their logo. This is how their logo is before you can continue, okay? Now when you get to this website, like when you get to this site, now what you do now, go ahead to click on that AI. When you click on it, just give it time, okay? So this will be the next interface you will see on your phone screen, okay? Mind you, follow every detail I drop in this tutorial so that you not make any mistake. Do you get? Now do you see that sign up stroke sign in? Click on it. Now when you click on here, you see sign up stroke login with Google. This is the one you'll be going with. Kindly click on it. Now when you click on it, they will ask you to choose any emails of your choice. Okay, so all you have to just go ahead to choose any email of your choice and follow the process. Once you're done, this is what you will see next. This interface is what you will see next, okay? Now once you successfully sign in new, you have access for 200 credits, which you are seeing on top of that place, which I just circled now, okay? Now when you continue scrolling up, you see the kind of features this website purchases, okay? Like different kinds of features which you can start to work with. Do you understand? Now when you go to your project, this is exactly what you will see. Now when you click on your asset, this is what you will see. Okay, for this asset, you can generate your character, you can generate your scene, okay, but you don't have anyone yet. Do you understand? So once you don't have anyone yet, you just, what you will say, no character yet, okay? Now when you click on your skills, okay, you also see this kind of thing, okay, all in terms of World Cup or thereabout. Do you understand? But this is not why we are here now. I'm just trying to show you some features. Now go to your project. You see start creating. Click on that start creating. Just give it time, okay? Once your network is not bad, normal thing don't use to take time, okay? Now once you're done processing, this will be the next interface you see on your phone. Do you understand? Now let's do some certain setting before we continue to generate our video, because whenever you enter to any new site, you have to know how the sites work, okay? Now do you see that head, that first icon? Click on it. Now when you click on it, for this side now, okay, this side is just like setting. Do you understand? Like the one I just showed you, just almost equivalent to it. Okay. Now when you come, now click on the next part. When you click on the next part, this is kind of images this site will give you. Okay. When you don't have, like, if you want to decide to work with this kind of image, if you want your image to be like 3D, you just come over here to choose. Okay, now when you choose the kind of image you want to work with and paste in your prompt, they will give you exact the image. That is what all these feature purchases for you. Okay, now when you click to the next one, now for this side, you see this is under image. Okay, now pay serious attention here. From that GPT images to this side, this GPT 40 is all about generating images for you. Everything you are seeing here, from that both nano banana, everything, they are all generating images for you. Now when you come to your video, from that Cadence 2.0 Pro, okay, to the one down, okay, you see it, to this VIDU Cure 2, they all about generating videos for you. Okay, now when you come over, if you want to go to image, you choose image. Now when you choose image, always remember to choose the model we are working with. Okay, now I choose video. When I choose video, remember we are working with Grok. We are here because of Grok. Okay, mind you, anyone you want to, if it's image, if it's video, make sure you choose the model you want to work with. Okay, now we are going with Grok Imagine 1.5. So just click on it. Do you see these two icons you are seeing there? These two icons next to this 60. Okay, now kindly go ahead to click on it. When you click on it, this is for you to select your ratio. Okay, you know the image ratio you generated. My own image is under 16.9. That's why I'm going with 16.9. Okay, now when you come over here, do you see that plus? Once you keep on clicking on that plus, your seconds will keep on increasing, like the duration. When the duration keep on increasing, this icon, your credit will also be increasing, which you are seeing there. Okay, for you to generate something like 30 minutes, you have to cost you almost 150 something credits. Okay, now when you reduce it, the credit will also decrease. Okay, now for you to generate 5 seconds movie, you have to use 60 credit. Before it used to be 40, but they just change it, they just increase it. Now leave their ratio to 720. Okay, now when you come over here, free model selection, this is where you be pasting in your prompt. Okay, just head over there to paste in your prompt you copy from any of your AI generating app. Okay, now mind you, always remember to animate your prompt before coming to this site. Okay, you can animate your prompt using your ChatGPT. You can animate your prompt using your, like, there's enough to just make sure you animate your script. I mean to say, make sure you animate your script before here. Now once you done animating your script, you just go ahead to copy it, which you are seeing on this screen. I've already animated my own script. You can see IK. This is the guy. Okay, the IK is the guy putting on white shirt, which you guys will still see the image. This is what he will be saying. Okay, now we still have Gabriel. Gabriel is the one putting on black image. This is also what the Gabriel will also be saying. Okay, now do you see that plus sign? Click on that plus sign. Do you see select image? Click on that select image. Now when you click on your select image, just give it time. This is what you will see next. Now choose picture, photo, I mean to say. When you choose photo, that will not take you direct to your gallery for you to bring in the scripts. This is my own script. I've already bring it in. Okay, now once your script is done loading, you see that pink icon? Kindly click on it. That will now show that the thing have already sent. Okay, now when it's sent, like when your video is generating, this app, this website will go ahead to narrate everything for you, like what you have chosen, the ratio, the resolution. Don't worry, you see everything very soon. Okay, they have already bring it out. Now let me just scroll so that you understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, please mind you, whenever you're trying to generate your video here, please don't leave the website, just give it time to generate. Normally their results used to be very accurate. their results used to be very accurate. It used to take them, but not like that, especially when network is not bad. Okay, now do you see it? Planning complete. I have completed the workflow setup and agent. Do you see what I'm trying to tell you? Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. And they have already analyzed everything for you. And also, before I forget, before you can come to this website, start generating your video, make sure you have already first getting your title, getting your full script, getting your consistent image, and also getting your scene by scene image, because you are going to be working with scene by scene image. Okay, now once you get all those things ready before you now come to this site, okay, not just go and rush and start coming. No, make sure all those things are ready. Do you understand? Okay, now let's get back. So our image, our video is ready. Do you see it? One video. So let's check the result of our video. One thing I love about this website, they can never gatekeep information, but let's check to see their results.
Man, this view is incredible. It really is. To good times. To good times. Man, this view is incredible. It really is. To good
Wow.
times. To good times.
Wow. This is seriously awesome. This is seriously awesome. Now for you to download it, do you see that three dots? Click on that three dots. Okay, you see download, playback speed. Just click on that download. Now when you click on that download, just give it time. You see detail. Okay, downloading file. That is what you will see. Okay, now for us to go back now, and if you want to generate the second image, like if you want to generate the second scene, okay, now let's still go back. Okay, click on that start creating again. This is how you will go back. Oh, do you understand? This is how you will go back. Don't start for that side. No, just go back again and just try to do little setting for that first one to choose that you are going with video again. Okay, now here, click on your video, or you're going to select your model. Still click on that Grok Imagine 1.5. Okay, still come over here to paste in your script. Okay, now I have pasted my script. Okay, now I want to do some little amendment, because if you check, this script is seriously long. Okay, it's seriously long for the 5 minutes. So I go ahead to delete that part. Normally that part is just action part, but they just added their own word, which is okay. So I just go ahead to delete that action part and use this small script. Okay, and also click on my plus sign and bring in my image. Mind you, whenever you are in this site, if you want to work with 5 minutes, 5 seconds video, please make sure your script is always small. Make your script to be small, so that the outcome will be very nice. If your script is too long, they'll just go and give you another thing. And also, before I forget, please don't use broken on this site. They don't allow broken, like broken English, like pidgin English. They don't allow it. Don't use broken in this site. Make sure you use plain Nigeria English or any other accent you want to work with. Okay, now our second video is ready. Let's also check the result.
Do you know one thing I don't understand about poor people? What is that? Do you know one
Like,
thing I don't understand
guys,
about
see,
poor people? What
this
is that?
site is giving like, and what about this? Nothing like watermark. Nothing like
Do you know one
watermark.
thing I
Okay,
don't
what are you
understand
still
about
waiting
poor
for?
people? What is that?
Okay, so just use this method to complete your video, and mind you, whenever your credit have been exhausted, switch into another which you understand. So, and also continue where you stop. Okay, so if this video was very helpful and interesting, also let me know at the comment section, and see you guys in my next vlog. And also, if you have anything you want me to guide you on or tutor you on, also let me know at the comment section.